So you will need Tide, Elmer's glue.
This is optional.
Glitter's optional, but we put glitter in ours.
And a bowl and a mixing utensil.
Okay.
So first, you will put some of the Elmer's glue. We're gonna make a really big batch.
Wait, did you just pour the Tide in, or did you put it in this?
And then you put
the Tide in here.
and then you put the glitter, the Tide in there, and then you put the glitter. Oh, well, we can do that too. And then I'm just gonna pour the glitter in.
You're making a huge batch, so this one a little bit a lot. You mix it. Make sure all the glitter gets in there. Until it becomes like really gooey. We added a lot of glitter.
Yeah.
See, until you can take it.
Here.
I'm just going to squish it around in your hands. We're going to add the stuff that we already made into it. Mix it really well. And if you're making a bigger batch, you want to mix it a lot more.
Yeah, like a really lot more, like, yeah. It's gonna stretch a lot
I'll take
too.
half of this. I got a lot more than half. Mine is almost good.
Mine is almost good too. Looks really good.
Take it back together. And here's our finished slime. It's so stretchy.
Oh, you got my arm.
And it might be a little sticky at first, but the more you play with it, the less sticky it gets. Right, Cindy?
Right.